Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial aspects of starting a successful Shopify store, finding the right products to sell. Before we jump in, if you're new here or if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and we post new videos every week on Thursday, so you won't want to miss out. Now let's talk about why this topic is so important. Did you know that the dropshipping market is projected to skyrocket to a whopping $476.1 billion by 2026? That's more than 3.5 times its value in 2020, with a staggering $257.5 billion growth in just 6 years. These numbers aren't just impressive. They're a clear signal that there's massive potential in dropshipping, but only if you're selling the right product. So in this video, we're going to guide you through everything you need to know about finding the perfect products for your Shopify store. We'll cover the best tools, methods, and tips to help you make informed decisions and set your store up for success. All right, now let's dive into what really makes a product win in the world of dropshipping. First, a winning product solves a specific problem. Next, your product should have a wow factor, something that makes people stop scrolling and think, I need that. To be a true winner, your product needs to offer high profit margins. Plus, look for a niche with high demand and low competition. It's the sweet spot. And finally, ensure the product is easy to use and ship. Complex or costly shipping can hurt your profits and lead to unhappy customers. Let's take a look at some real-life examples of dropshipping stores. One great example is balls.co. This store focuses on a niche product, grooming products specifically designed for men. Their leading product is the Archibald Trimmer, a high-quality grooming tool that's gained a lot of attention for its sleek design and effective performance. What makes this store stand out is their ability to solve a specific problem in a fun and engaging way. They've also nailed the wow factor with their branding, which is cheeky, memorable, and completely on point for their target audience. Another fantastic store is warmlydecor.com, which specializes in stylish home decor. One of their best-selling categories is lighting, from elegant chandeliers to modern floor lamps. These products not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of any space, but are also practical and in high demand. Warmly Decor excels in offering products that are trendy, affordable, and easy to ship, making them a go-to destination for anyone looking to spruce up their living space without breaking the bank. Lastly, let's take a look at Burga.com. Burga has carved out a niche in the market with their high-quality phone cases. These aren't just any phone cases, they combine style with protection, offering products that are not only functional but also highly fashionable. Burga's extensive variety of designs caters to a broad audience, ensuring that there's something for everyone. This combination of practicality and visual appeal has made Burga a standout in their niche. Each of these stores has found success by carefully selecting products that resonate with their target audience, solve specific problems, and stand out in the market. Whether it's through unique branding, tapping into trends, or offering a wide range of choices. These examples highlight the importance of thoughtful product selection in building a successful dropshipping business. Now let's dive into some of the best free product research apps available. If you're operating in the US or EU regions, AutoDS is a fantastic option to consider. This app streamlines the entire product sourcing process, making it easier for you to find and import products that are trending in these regions. It's a reliable tool that offers a wide range of features designed to save you time and effort. Another great tool you might want to explore is DSers. What makes DSers stand out is its versatility in sourcing products from various locations worldwide. Now, let's walk through how you can start using DSers for product research on your Shopify store. Step 1. Create a Shopify store. First, if you haven't already, you'll need to create your Shopify store. It's a straightforward process that only takes a few minutes. Once your store is set up, you're ready to move on to the next step. Step 2. Install DSers. Next, head over to the Shopify App Store and install the DSers app. This app will be your gateway to finding and importing products with ease. Step 3. Install the Chrome extension. To enhance your experience, make sure to install the DSers Chrome extension. This handy tool integrates directly into your browser. Step 4. Start product researching. With everything set up, you can now start your product research. Use DSers to explore products based on categories, trends, and supplier ratings. The app also offers insights into shipping times and costs, helping you make informed decisions about which products to add to your store. Now, let's dive into some advanced tools that can take your product research to the next level. While the free tools we've covered are fantastic, sometimes investing in paid tools can give you that extra edge in finding winning product. First up is Minia. It is an incredibly powerful tool that specializes in finding winning products by analyzing successful ad campaigns across various platforms. This web tool provides detailed insights into which products are trending and why they're performing well. With Minia, you can quickly identify products that are not only popular but also have a proven track record of success. Next, let's talk about PP ads. PP ads is another excellent tool, particularly if you're looking to tap into the world of TikTok ads. This tool allows you to search through a massive database of TikTok ads, helping you discover products that are going viral on one of the fastest growing social media platforms. With PP ads, you can see which products are gaining traction and even get inspiration for your own ad campaigns. Finally, there's ShopHunter. ShopHunter is designed to give you a deep dive into your competitors' stores. It allows you to monitor what's being sold, which products are top sellers, and even how they're pricing their items. Let's move on to another effective strategy for finding products to sell on Shopify. Engaging directly with suppliers. Building strong relationships with suppliers can give you insights that are hard to find anywhere else, and it can also help you secure the best deals for your products. The first step is to access popular supplier platforms like Alibaba or AliExpress. These platforms are hubs for finding a wide variety of products and suppliers, giving you plenty of options to choose from. Once you're on one of these platforms, the next step is to search for the products or suppliers that interest you. You can use specific keywords related to the products you want to sell or browse through categories that match your niche. This is where you start narrowing down your options to find the best fit for your store. After you've found a product or supplier that looks promising, it's time to take the next step. Click Contact to start messaging the supplier or store owner directly. This is a key part of your research because it allows you to ask specific questions about the products you're interested in. You can inquire about things like product quality, shipping times, and pricing. By engaging in direct communication, you can get a closer look at which products are high converting and popular among other buyers. Suppliers often have valuable insights into market trends and what's selling well, so don't hesitate to ask them about their top performing product. And that brings us to the end of our journey today. I hope you found these strategies and tools helpful in your quest to find the perfect products to sell on Shopify. If you enjoyed this video or found it valuable, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy selling!